All right. So, hey, welcome to my dojo, Away from the Dojo, and super excited to have you with me today. And what I'm talking about initially today, we've been talking about, how to manage technology in your life. And hopefully, you're taking that 1 hour or more a day away from your cell phone, away from your computer, things like that. We know that ultimately, this chronic exposure to all the blue light from our technology like cell phones and computers and all that sort of thing does have an impact on our brains. And for many of you that went through our 8-week program initially, like I spent a whole hour talking about sleep in your initial intake and how it's affected by things like this. And the chronic exposure to all of those things has ultimate impact on the quality of our sleep. Not just how long we sleep, but the quality of our sleep. And so if we're not getting into that deep REM sleep, it's ultimately disrupting our body's ability to recover from our workouts, our body's ability to maintain its lean body mass, and ultimately accomplish all of the goals that you guys really have out there, okay? So it's really important that you're monitoring that a little bit. And for many of you, your cell phones actually have a little area on it. Some of you probably know about it better than I do, but it actually monitors how much time you're on your phone, right? And what you're doing. Like, I would encourage you to start looking at those things frequently, if not daily, to kind of assess how are you doing with your overall time on your technology. Now, this month we've also been talking about how as warriors, sometimes we could turn into heroes. And ultimately, the different stories so far this month have been about saving lives. And today is not much different. It's about a gal, her name is Kenya Williams. At the time, she was 22, and she was driving home from work. And in front of her, there's an accident. There was two cars that had collided. And right when they collided, a semi swerved to miss these two cars in the road and jackknifed and flipped over. And essentially the driver was with it enough at that point to be able to get out of the cab, but as he kind of jumped off the tractor trailer onto the ground, he passed out and became unconscious. Now Kenya at 22, like she just reacted to this. She stops her car, she gets out, she runs over to the truck driver who's out cold. There's diesel fuel running on the ground everywhere. She bends down, she grabs him and drags him toward her car quite the distance away. And as she gets him to the car, she covers him with her jacket and splashes his face with water and kind of tries to wake him up. And as she's doing that, flames erupt around the area, around the truck and through where the diesel fuel were. And like if she hadn't have done that, for sure, this gentleman would no longer be with us. Right? So it took just a split second reaction and the fact that she just jumped into action. And so guys, as we train, we talk all the time about training for the battle called life. And the reality of it is you're training for your own battle in your own life, but ultimately you might be training to save somebody else's life too. And you just never know when that moment might come. So guys, I'd encourage you to stay engaged and stay on your workouts on a regular basis. And don't give up. Don't let what we're going through right now get in your way. Don't let that obstacle, become an obstacle. Let's let the obstacle become the opportunity, right? Okay, so hey, today's workout, we're going to start off actually with a little transit mobility. And you can see that I have a number grid down here. I hope that you can see the numbers in the chair here. We have our 1, 2, 3, and 4 grid on the whiteboard, okay? And can you guys give me a thumbs up? Are you able to see the whiteboard? Everybody see that? Okay. All right, so we're going to be doing some transit hops, and then we're going to be going back and forth with some active dynamic drills in your space. You need about 10 to 15 feet, just a hallway or any space that you have to do our active drills. And after our warm-up, we'll break and we'll go through our first section of our timed circuit today. I've made a slight change to it in terms of how we're going to operate the circuit just to make it flow for the group, hopefully a little bit better. All right? So, as we get started today, we're going to kick it off with some transit hops. We're going to go from 1 to 2, side to side. Transit hops for 20, over and back is 1. All right, so let's get everybody started together. Sprinter arm position, open sprinter hands. We got 90-degree position here, over and back. 20 hops. 3, 2, 1, go. Get those 20 hops. Keep it going, guys. All right, after your 20 hops, we're going to take it over and back with a walking knees up, toes up. So we're walking it out. Let's get 6 steps out and 6 steps back. 6 steps out, 6 steps back. Knees up, toes up. Nice work, guys. Tucking those toes up. Looks good. Hey, next on the hop, we're going to go 1-4, guys. Front to back, 1-4, 20 hops. Remember to engage from that core and lower abs. Sprinter arms, ready, go. 20 hops. Over and back is 1. Woo! Nice job, nice job. Next, we're going to go with the high hamstring kick. Opposite hand to foot. Okay? So high hamstring kick, 6 out, 6 back. Nice work, warriors. All right. Next, we're going on a diagonal hop. 1-3. 1-3 in the diagonal. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! Nice job. Next, we're going to walk it out with the cradle step. So you're going to take a forward step, grab that ankle, and pull to your opposite hip. Take it 6 out and 6 back. All right? Walking cradle step. Awesome work, warriors. On our next set of hops, we're going the opposite diagonal pattern, 2-4. 2-4 on the hop for 20. We're ready to go. Woo! Next, we're down on the ground. We got push-ups. Push-ups, 8 reps on the push-ups. Good high plank position or from the knee. Try to get them down nice and deep to 90. All right, 8 push-ups. Great job, warriors. All right, next we are going to go in the triangle hop, 1-4-3-1, and 10 times through. 1-4-3-1, 10 times. Ready? And go. Awesome work. Next we're going to go knee grabs for 10. Knee grabs. So down on the ground. Remember your hands start at your chin and end at your shin for 10. Nice work, warriors. All right. Opposite triangle, 2, 3, 4, 2. 2, 3, 4, 2 on the hop. Ready? 10 reps. Here we go. Woo! Good work. Next, the walking quad step. So we're stepping out. You're gonna grab your ankle, all right, and then reach up to the sky with your opposite hand. Stepping that out. 6 out, 6 back. Looks good, guys. Looks good. Okay. Next, we're going to go all the way around the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 10 times around the pattern. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! Push-ups again for 8 push-ups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Nice work. That way, guys. Next, we're going to go counterclockwise on the hop. 4, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counterclockwise. Ready, go. 10 hops. And back to knee grabs one more time for 10. Knee grabs for 10. Great hustle, guys. Looking good. On our next set of hops, we're going to go 1, 2 on your right leg for 10, and then 1, 2 on your left leg for 10, or both feet for 20. All right? So single leg side hop, right leg, ready, go. 10 reps on the right, 10 on the left, or 20 both. Go right to the other leg. Okay, next, you're going to cross your left leg over right, your right hand over left, reach up over your head, forward fold, and then turn to the inside, right here, come up, step out, cross it over, repeat the same pattern to your right, 6 times, then bring it back to the left. So when we come back, it will be your right leg over, left hand over, press those hands together, forward fold, turn to your right. Then step to your left. Right leg over, left hand over, big reach up, forward bend, turn to your right. Looking good, guys, looking good. Woo! 6 each way. Great work. Next on our single leg hop, we're going to go a 1-4 pattern, right leg. So 10 on the right, 10 on the left, or 20 more on both feet, okay? So a single leg hop, right leg first, 10 hops. Ready, go. And other leg. Okay, next we're going to go lateral lunge to reach under. So it's a big step out, settle into the heel of your foot. If I'm going to my right hand goes behind my right heel, the left hand goes back between my legs, and we settle in, and then I come up and step out and repeat, going to the right, okay? So we've got 6 out to the right and 6 back to the left. So I'm kind of settling in. My lead hand goes right behind my lead foot. My other hand goes back between my legs. Nice deep lunge. Great job, guys. Good work. Next, I want you to imagine the number 5 on a pair of dice. So disregard this number grid right here. Number 5 gives us a 2, 1, 2 pattern, right? Number 5 on a pair of dice. So if I'm back here on my back 2 dots, jump into the middle, back out to the front, and then back through is 1, right? Let's get 10. Here we go. Ready, go. Fast as you can go. You got it. Woo! Excellent. Now, we're going to go with a walking lunge to reach. So it's just a forward step into your lunge. As you're going down, give yourself a nice huge reach. Straight up for me. 6 out, 6 back. Woo! Good work, guys. Good work. Awesome job at home, guys. We're getting close. Hey, we're going to end with 3 rounds of wideouts, ending in a low warrior position with your warrior cry. Wake up your whole house if you can. So we're going to start on my ready down. You're going to drop to the low warrior position. On my ready go, we got 10 wideouts. At the end of your wideouts, stay in a low position. Give me your warrior cry. We're going to stay down there and do 3 rounds in a row. Coming up together with 2 claps on my ready up. All right, here we go. Halusa. All right, ready? Ready down. Huh. Ready, go. Huh. Ready, go. Huh. Last set. Best set. Ready, go. Huh. All right, guys, ready up? Woo. Good work, guys. Grab a drink of water, all right? Woo. Good start, guys. All right. Well, hey guys, if you looked in the tracker, okay, and then you looked at, for those of you at our dojo, what we put on the tracker or on the Facebook page this morning, we're basically doing the same movements, but I changed it to 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, so that ultimately we can kind of move through it as a group, okay? And so we have high knees instead of the sprint, and that's 40 contacts total, okay? Then squats, optional with the dumbbell, like a goblet squat.
Coach?
Yep.
Coach, can you mute everybody? Can you mute everybody?
Yes, sir. Yep. Yep. Okay. So we have a 10-minute event. It's going to be high knees for 40 contacts. Then squats with an optional use of a dumbbell. So we can load like 2 dumbbells right here for front squat, or we could do one heavier one for goblet squat, or none if that's what you prefer. But we're going for 20 seconds each station today, changing it up again just a little bit. Like if you look at it, if you were to time out for the average person what 10 reps is and so forth for most of those activities, it would average out about 20 seconds for most people. So this will just get us moving as a group. We got kettlebell dumbbell rainbows. So remember, the rainbow is in that seated position, V-sit, back here, kettlebell or dumbbell, and we're going side to side with that object in your hand, okay? We could use a gallon of water, we could use dumbbells, kettlebells, whatever you got, okay? Then crossover climbers. I believe everybody here probably knows how to do those. And then we got knee grabs at the end. I'll be queuing you up on the 20-second mark on each one, okay? And so I'll do a couple rounds through with you, and then I'll just be queuing you on the timer today as you go through, okay? So I can try to keep everybody moving on pace, all right? Any questions? All right, so hey, let's grab that dumbbell or kettlebell if you need it. If you want some music on your end, now's the time to turn that on and crank it up. Oh, 1 second. What's up, Suzanne?
For the mountain climbers, what is it total?
20 total on the mountain climbers.
Okay, thank you.
Well, actually, Suzanne, no, I'm wrong there. It's 20 seconds, so everything's timed.
Oh, I'm sorry, thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
So, all right, here we go. Kicking it off with high knees in 3, 2, 1, go. Good job kicking those high knees up, lean in, keep those abs tight, pumping those high knees. Woo, keep it going. You got it, 10 more seconds. Woo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. Good job. Next, you need your dumbbell, kettlebell, or body weight for squats. In 3, 2, 1, go. Good job. Looking good out there, warriors. Woo! Gonna be a great workout today, guarantee it. Good work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break. Now we're seated. Okay, rainbows are next. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. Woo! Big stretch overhead. V-sit position. And break. Rainbow to crossover mountain climber in 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going to knee grabs, guys. Knee grabs on the floor. Knee grabs. 3, 2, 1. Go. Woo! Sit up nice and tall on those sit bones. Tuck those knees in. Looking good, warriors. Keep it going. Keep it going. Nice work. 4, 3, 2, 1. And back on your feet. Woo! High knees in 4, 3, 2, and go. Arms should be running straight ahead. Sprinter arms, open hands, abs tight. Big movements with your upper and lower body. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break. Back to our squats with your dumbbell or body weight. 3, 2, 1. Go. Nice work. 10 seconds. And break. Woo! Good. Next, going to our rainbow. Ready? And go. What's under the rainbow? Pot of gold. You got this, guys. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Crossover climbers. Here we go. Ready? Go. That's it. Crossing that knee to the opposite elbow. Keeping those hips down. Woo! Keep pumping, keep pumping. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going to knee grabs next. Knee grabs. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Woo! And break. Good job. Back up. High knees. Round 3. Woo! A little over 4 minutes in. Here we go. Ready to go? Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break. Beautiful job. Squats are next. Grab those dumbbells. Goblet or front squat. Ready. And go. You want to make it harder, you can throw a little press in there. Give it a push press on top. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Okay. Rainbows. 3, 2, 1. Go. Woo! We are over the halfway mark, guys. Doing fantastic. Sit up really tall. Keep that chest up. Try not to let that low back cave in. Stay long. Break. Woo! Nice job. Crossover climbers. In 4, 3, 2, and go. Woo! 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. Beautiful job. Knee grabs. Knee grabs. 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Nice work, guys. Stay with me. Woo! And break. Awesome work, awesome work. Okay, back on your feet for high knees. Woo! 3, 2, 1, go. Great push, guys. Keep moving. You got it. You can't get high knees. Let's get quick feet, all right? Keep moving. Keep moving. Open those arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Grab that dumbbell. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, and go. Nice job. 7 seconds. Break. Woo! Hey, we got rainbows. 3, 2, 1, and go. Nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. Rainbow to crossover climbers. Woo! Stay with me. Ready, and go. Light feet on the ground, abs tucked up toward your spine. Quick light contacts. Keep it going, 8 seconds. Woo! 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Going to knee grabs on your backside. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. You got it. Sit up tall. Tuck those shins in. Woo! Do them good. Do them right. 3, 2, 1. Break. And back up on your feet. Oh, we're getting close, guys. We got a little bit more to go. Couple more stations. High knees. Ready? And go. Woo! Almost there. Let's work to the end. Come on. Woo! Kick it. Go faster. 8 seconds. This is it. Come on. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Break. One more set of squats, guys. Last set. Woo! Best set. Here we go. Ready? And go. Woo! 8 seconds. And break. That's 10 minutes, guys. You got your first water break right here. Water break. Grab some H2O. H2O. Here we go. Woo! All right, guys, I'm going to go over the next circuit. As I'm doing that, if you have a question or a concern, just come up to the screen and wave at me, and I'll unmute you so you can talk to me, okay? All right, so for the next one, per the tracker, we have Snurpees, okay? Again, we're going to change it up a little bit. This time, it's going to be 30 seconds on with the 10-second transition. So you're going to get as many Snurpees as you can in 30 seconds, and then we're going to transition. So if you're not able to do the Snurpee, we can do a push-up and a knee grab and alternate back and forth. Push up to knee grab, push up to knee grab. So we're rolling over on those. Our rebounders, instead of the high knees, rebounders are like, if I'm jumping like a pogo hop, I'm going to take my arms, I'm pumping as fast as I can, working those arms, working the hop at the same time, okay? So it's just another way to accelerate that heart rate and kick it up since we can't sprint in the dojo, all right? Then high plank shoulder tap, which I believe you guys all know that. alternating leg V-ups with or without a medicine ball, okay? And then our last one is the TFW twist with the medicine ball. So again, this time it's 30 seconds, all right? And then transition after 30. And remember, the alternative for the Snurpee is gonna be a push-up and a knee grab. So we just stay on the ground. If your knees don't like the single leg pistol squats, you know, we could also squat with 2 legs and sit back as well, which is what I personally tend to do with my knees, okay? So you take your pick on what's gonna be best for you. All right, any questions? Well, we're getting close to game time again. Hey, during this period of time when we're all kind of sheltered in, if you will, I know that most of you are getting your groceries still somehow. So I just remind you that we need to get those veggies in every day. Most of you, I bet, are probably getting fruit, but for many of us, we tend to flip the ratio around of vegetables to fruit. So you should be getting 5 veggies, 5 servings of veggies to every 1 serving of fruit per day, okay? So make sure it's not the other way around, where you're getting 5 fruits and 1 vegetable, because that's kind of going the wrong direction, okay? All right, we're gonna kick this off. Our first thing is gonna be Snurpees. Remember, this is a 10-minute timed event once again, okay? And if we're not doing the Snurpee, you're doing a push-up and a knee grab, okay? All right, here we go. Starting with Snurpees in 3, 2, 1, and go. So I lay down, knee grab, roll over, jump up, and then we repeat. Knee grab, roll over, jump back up. Keep those going, guys. We got 12 more seconds. Come on. Get some more, you got it. Woo! Nice work out there, guys. Looks like we got good movement, looking good. Break, 10-second breather. We're going to rebounders next. Rebounders are that pogo hop with arm pump, okay? Woo! 3, 2, 1, go. Pump those arms quickly. Move them quick, get that quick pogo hop in there. Keep those lower abs tight. Feet light on the ground, light and quick. Woo! Pumping those arms fast. 3, 2, 1, and break. Good job. Actually, I think I cut that one a little early, my bad. Okay, we're going to the next one. We got plank shoulder taps, and we're down in the high plank position right here. Going in 3, 2, and go. Plank shoulder tap, side to side. Woo! Keep those hips down, glutes locked in, abs tight. Nice transitions, side to side, 15 seconds in. Woo! Good work. 10 more seconds. We got alternating leg V-ups next. Break. So with or without a med ball or a dumbbell, alternating leg V-up. In 4, 3, 2, and go. Woo! Remember, we could do the toe touch too, just keeping your back on the floor. If the true V-up isn't working for you, we can protect that lower back and keep your back flat. Just kind of sitting up to tap that ball or tap your foot to the ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. TFW twist is next. So we're in the V-sit position on the twist. Remember, we're looking for quick, short movements on the TFW twist in the V-sit position. Med ball here, or make a fist with your hands and go. Ready, go. Nice work. Woo! Keep it going, sit up tall. Sit, halfway there, guys. Woo! Nice. Stay with me. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. All right, back up on your feet for the Snurpee, or stay low for a knee grab push-up or knee grab to bridge. Chris, Henning, you go knee grab to bridge. Okay, ready? Snurpees, go. Woo! Nice work. 10 more seconds. Three, two, one, and break. Nice job, guys. Beautiful work. Back up on your feet. How we feeling out there? Good work. Thumbs up, everybody. Here we go. Woo! All right, rebounders, okay? Pogo hop with the arm pump. Ready, go. Keep those abs locked in. Light contacts on the ground. Keep it going. Woo! Feel like I'm in my 1980s step aerobics class. Doing great. Woo! Richard Simmons, here we go. Woo! 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. All right, plank shoulder taps. Plank shoulder taps. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. Nice job. Abs tucked up. Woo! Nice. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alternating leg V-ups next. Alternating leg V-up. With or without your med ball. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. Woo! Nice job, warriors. Stay with me now. Halusa. Four, 3, 2, 1, and break. Nice job. TFW twist is next. TFW twist. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. Good job. Sit up tall. Keep your chest tall. Chin up. Get back locked in. Abs locked tight. Woo! We got this. Come on. We're almost 7 minutes in, guys. 3 more to go. Stay tall. Woo! 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Back on your feet. Going back to Snurpees. Great hustle, guys. In 4, 3, 2, and Snurpees. Go. Woo! Nice work. Remember, we can squat on both legs if you need to. We can't do that pistol squat, or we got that knee grab and a push up. Woo! 5 seconds. Hand break. Good job. Rebounders are next. Rebounders. That's a pogo hop with the arm pump. In 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Woo! Come on. Pump those arms. You can go faster. I know it. Good work. Keep it quality. Abs tucked tight. Feet light. Pumping those arms. 10 more seconds. Woo! 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. Beautiful job, guys. Beautiful. All right, plank shoulder tap. Shoulder taps. Woo! Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. Woo! 15 seconds, guys. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. Good job. Alternating leg V-ups. Woo! Almost there, guys. 2 more stations. Ready? And go. Woo! 15 seconds. Sit up tall. Get to those toes. Three, 2, 1, and break. Nice work. TFW twist to end, guys. One more on the TFW twist. Last set. Best set. Woo! Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Woo! Finish strong. Come on. Woo! 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! That's a 10-minute mark right there, guys. Fantastic work. Guys, we're going to cool down with some stretching in just a moment. I want you to grab a drink of water and then come back to your space, all right? Grab a drink and come back. All right, guys, hey, awesome work. We're gonna start with a couple stretches here. For our first one, we're gonna take our hands, we're gonna take a big breath in and reach up for me with a big breath. Then we're gonna squat down and you're gonna grab your feet. You're gonna grab the front of your shoes right here, okay? And now I'm gonna lift my hips up to hamstring stretch and hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now drop into a nice squat right there and stay there. So keep your left hand on your left toe. Take your right hand and reach to the ceiling. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides, right hand, right foot, and reach. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back in. Come back to hamstring stretch real quick right here. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And break. Okay. Next we're going to go to the pretzel, guys. So we're going down to the ground. Okay. Sideline. What you're going to do, you're going to grab your bottom ankle or foot with your top hand. And then your bottom arm is going to grab your knee. As you pull your knee across, roll the top shoulder back and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Release and switch sides. Switching sides. Again, top hand goes to the bottom foot. Bottom hand goes to the top knee. Pull the knee over, roll the shoulder back. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Roll over onto your back side. We're going to lift your right leg straight up and cross it over your body, trying to keep your shoulders on the floor. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And switch sides. Rolling over. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Come up onto your left knee. Left knee facing me. We're going to take your right hand inside your right thigh right here. And we're going to reach up on the side that your leg is down. Okay? Your first action is going to be a side bend over your head. Side bend over, tuck those abs in, keep your hips still. All right? Now we're going to turn to your left slowly until you feel a nice deep stretch through your hip flexor and the side of your torso, lower back. All right? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Left leg forward, right arm down. Left hand inside your thigh. Big reach up on the right arm. This is our last stretch right here. So we're going to side bend over and rotate out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, that's it for today. Awesome job, Warriors. Thanks for coming to join us, Garth and Kelsey. Appreciate it. I'm going to unmute everybody here. Woo! So, fantastic having you with us. Garth, you have someone else with you there. Who's that?
My wife Amanda is a warrior too.
Hi there.
Hey, man.
Good to meet you, Amanda. So, hope you guys stay healthy, stay safe, stay away from the gunk, all right? And guys, we'd love to see you back on with us anytime, all right? Have a fantastic day, Warriors. Halusa!
Want a picture?
Oh yeah, group picture. Hold on, group picture. One
What
sec.
do you want?
Let's do this. Let's go Rooney gun show today. One up, one down. Just like this right here. All right. 3, 2, 1. Ah! All right, guys. Have an awesome day.
Everybody.
Have a good day.
Oh, daily refresh.
What's that mean?
On my wallpaper. So, oh.